ulit sa aking YouTube channel. So, panibagong dance tutorial na ituturo ko sa inyo. Ito yung bagong trending sa TikTok. Sa tagal-tagal ng ating pagpapahinga, magbabalik ulit ako sa ating dance tutorial. So, ngayon, simulan natin sa ating first figure. So, yung steps doon is yung 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Magpo-focus tayo muna sa ating paa. Okay? Kick front, yung ating right foot. Kick front, then side, then pagdidikitin. Okay? Kick front, yung left, then side, naka-open, then feet together. Okay? So, yung movement ng ating mga paa, ganito siya. Para magkaroon siya ng buhay at saka yung bagsakan. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yung sa ating pag-kick forward, yung ating left foot, then yung right foot, kapag nag-kick forward yung right, yung ating left foot, balik papunta lang siya sa side. Okay? Dun sa likod niya, magsa-side din siya. Okay? Then, 1. Okay? Pag kinik yung right foot, yung left foot, atras ng konti, pa-side. Okay? Pag right foot forward, yung left foot naman, backward, pa-side. Ganito siya. Okay? 1. Okay, ulitin natin. And 1, 2, close. Then right, 1, 2, close. Ganun lang siya, alternate silang dalawa. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Sasabay naman natin yung ating kamay. Okay? 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, clap. Okay? Sa kamay, open lang siya. Ang baga, shake lang ng konti. Okay? Then, 1, 2, clap. 1, 2, clap. Okay? Ulitin natin. 1, 2, close. Clap naman yung ating kamay. Then, 1, 2, close. Then, clap yung ating kamay. Okay? Yan yung ating first figure. Palitin natin. Bali, slow lang natin siya para mas maintindihan nyo. Okay? 1, 2, clap. Then, 1, 2, clap. Okay? Then, yung next, second figure natin. Okay? After nun, last pose. Then, 1, 2. Okay? Mag-focus tayo sa ating paa. Point lang. Point forward. Then, point. Then, yung left. Alternate lang siya. Okay? Yung kamay natin, kung ano yung unang nag-point pa forward, yung kamay naman natin papunta sa right side. Okay? Right to right. Okay? 1, 2. Okay? 1 and 2. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Right foot, point. Yung kamay, papunta sa right direction. Left foot, point. Then yung kamay, left direction. Parang ihampas lang yung kamay dun sa magkabilang direction. Okay? 1 and 2. Okay? Sige. Connect natin yung first figure at saka yung second figure. Okay? Then, 1, 2, clap. And 1, 2, clap. Then, 1 and 2. Okay? So, let's proceed sa ating third figure. Last pose is 1 and 2. Yung last pose, stomp. Okay. Itatap natin yung ating left foot pataas. Okay? Yan. Then, right, ganun din. Okay? Pagkatapos ng ating second figure and 2 seconds lang. Then, 1 and 2. Then, close, plug sa ating taas, overhead. And then, pababa. Okay? Ulitin natin. Okay? Then, second figure, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? 3, 4. Mabilisan lang siya. Okay? Pag second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Ulitin natin. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Naka-close na yung ating paa. Pagka-top, top left, top right, open. Naka-open yung dalawang paa. Yung kamay sa taas. Clap, then pa-down. Ganyan. Feet together. Okay? Ulitin natin yung second figure is then 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? Connect natin yung first figure, second figure, and third figure. Okay, 1. Let's start. Then, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Mabilisan lang yung countings natin yung sa third figure. Okay? Second, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yung next, yung fourth figure natin, close, last position. And then, 1, 2. Okay? Right foot ang mauna. Point, point, then double, double. Okay? Single, 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 double, double. Okay? Yung right, ay yung paa natin, point, point lang, stomp, stomp lang siya. Okay? Then, 1 and 2, then 3 and shoot. Ito yung last na step. Okay? Then, 1, 2, 3, and shoot. Okay? Ulitin natin from first figure hanggang dun sa pinaka-last. Then, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 7, 8, then 8, 7, shoot. Okay? Then, sabayan natin siya with music. So, ayun, natapos din tayo sa ating dance tutorial. Hope you like it at sana huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-subscribe and hit the notification bell para po sa ating latest updates po ng aking mga videos. Salamat mga ka-Indak!